You can see that it's not all blanket. It's just the cameras
SEMA show in Vegas last year for heat shield products. It started off our normal signature frame that we build. It's all I-beam design, which is all starts as a 4x8 sheet of steel, and then it's all cut down, laser cut, and then all put in jigs and welded together. A lot of people think it's built with junk, but it's really not. It's really sophisticated. It's all on a CAD machine and all drawn. The rear fenders, we'll start with the back. The rear fenders are 44 coupe, chopped in half, shortened up and sectioned. And then we got taillights off of a Model T. All the leather work and the engraving is all hand tooled by Misfit Kenny out of Indiana. And all the engraving is all done with hammer and chisels. Nothing's done with an engraving machine or anything. John Deere tractor seat. The speakers are all modern. They're drive-in movie theater, but all Bluetooth. Everything works, all JL speakers and everything in it. Let's see.
What about the engine?
The engine is a Kubota diesel.
How many hours did you got in it?
It's a year to build it. The engine is after a refrigerator trailer, and then it's turbocharged. Garrett Turbo is one of my sponsors, so they supplied the turbo. It's putting out about 1200 cc. It's equivalent to like a Sportster, you know, so it gets on down the road. Originally it was built, it had a knucklehead in it, and then about a week prior to Vegas, I decided to pull the knuckle out and put a diesel in it. And I used all the Harley mounts. I could take that motor right out and put a Harley motor back in it and have it done in 2 days. Back to running with a Harley. It runs about 70, 75 all day. You know, just runs around comfortable. Yeah, it's not bad. The wheel is a 30. It's a Vader, old school Vader, but it was a rear wheel off a John Deere tractor. If you look at the stamped in the wheel, it was 30 by 13 wide, and it was cut down 3.5 inches wide, and then all welded together. It's not a billet wheel, it's all steel. It was made by RBK Customs in California. Just a lot of one-off parts, Crafty B, gas tap, just a lot of one-off crazy stuff on there. The headlight's a chandelier off of a vintage cruise ship. The more you look at it, it's just got all kinds of stuff going on.
Did you stop it?
Yeah, I'll have him start it for me. It's been 2 years since I've seen this bike, so want to start it up for him?
Yeah, if you hold this, I hope the battery's up.
Kubota diesel out of the refrigerator unit. Formula One drivers. I built the bike from 365. Rock the ball. Look, it's there. Well, you got the razor, you got the, it's like your shop chops, and then you got that's the razor.
You guys have a great day, man.
You too.
This here? That's the
Hey, hold your mic there. Hey, I'm gonna start
Hi, I'm Dana.
You gon' holler like the top. Act like you will be backing that stuff up. Girl in the club, that's what you gotta ask for. Wow, wow, infatuate. Bitch, try to dick.
Oh, wow.
black rims, man. Black rims, shorty bikes. Yeah, I like the way it stops.